Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working in Google Chrome. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Chrome application in my Windows, and I'm going to show you how we can fix the camera not working problem. So first thing first, you need to go to the Google Chrome setting. You can click on these three dots and then you're going to select settings. You can scroll down to find the settings menu, and here you need to go to the privacy and security setting, and you have to scroll down until you find the site settings. Okay, open the site settings and you have to access the camera setting. Okay, then make sure you have selected this option, Sites Connects, to use your camera. If you select this option, so the camera is not going to be work in your Google Chrome, so you can select this. Make sure you have select this option, and then you have to make sure that the camera which appear right here matches your device camera. You can check it in your device manager. Go to the device manager, and then you have to open the cameras. And as you can see, the camera has matched with the device camera. It's the same, and you have to make sure that the Google Chrome is using this camera, using the device camera. And if this trick still doesn't work on your computer, I recommend you to reset your settings. You can go to the reset settings option in your Google Chrome. Then you have to select this one, restore settings to their original defaults. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix camera not working on Google Chrome. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.